I'm going to ask some of the web's most popular AI writers to take a crack at writing a blog post regarding marketing. I'm going to test them against speed, quality, originality, and the writing difficulty. Whosoever will win this battle will win this battle. AI, timer, action. This is how we're going to proceed. First, I'm going to collect content from all the sources. While running the AI, I will be running the timer to see how much time it takes to produce one content piece. Then after collecting all the content that I need, I'm going to check it for quality, I'm going to check it for originality, and for the writing difficulty as well. Let's start from Copy.ai. Copy.ai has a predefined blog template, but I'm going to use their individual tools in order to create the whole blog post. Let's start from a title. These are all the results, but I'm going to go with the first one. I'm going to copy this, I'm going to paste it somewhere else. Now let's jump to the intro part. These are all the results for the marketing. I'm going to go with the first one. Now what we need is the conclusion. These are all the results, but again, I'm going to go with the first one. Let's now test Jasper.ai. Similar to Copy.ai, Jasper.ai has also a lot of templates that you need. In our case, we need to create a blog post. So I'm going to go to the blog post. I'm going to create a blog post topic idea. I'm going to go here. I'm going to type SDK, and I'm going to say here marketing, and I'm going to type here marketers, and I'm going to say video. Let's see what it creates. It has produced two results for me. I'm going to copy the first one. I'm intentionally excluding the blog post outline and the paragraphs in between the blog. Now let's go to the blog post intro. I'm going to paste the title that I copied earlier. I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to create a tone of voice as video. I'm going to click on generate and see what happens after that. Okay, it has created two pieces for me. I'm going to copy the first one. Now I'm going to go to the third part, that is conclusion. I'm going to go here. So it is asking me for the outline, which I have not created. I'm going to still copy and paste what I have done in the intro part, and I'm going to create a video again. I'm going to create generate here. It has created two paragraphs for me. I'm going to copy the first one again. Now we have covered the Jasper.ai. Let's move to the next one. Now let's check Ryter.me. I'm going to go to the first one, blog idea and outline. I'm going to paste marketing in here, and I'm going to let it write for me, and let's see what happens after that. It has created a few options for me, but I'm going to go with the first one. What are the benefits of AI marketing? As I've only asked to create one variant for me, it has created one variant for me. I'm going to go and copy this title. As in the result, it has also created an introduction, basically an outline for me. I'm going to copy this, what are the benefits of AI marketing, from here. And now I'm going to go to the blog section writing. I'm going to paste the section of the topic here, and I'm going to let Ryter to create it for me. Now it has created results for me. I'm going to copy these results somewhere else, and I will come back here. Now for writing a conclusion, I'm going to click here. Now let's cover the conclusion part in Ryter.me. In the section keywords, I'm going to paste what I copied from the conclusion part. I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to remove the remaining part. I'm going to keep the conclusion here. I'm going to click on Ryter.me, and let's see what happens. Now it has created a conclusion for me. I'm going to copy this conclusion, paste it somewhere else. Moving forward with our testing journey now is the time to test scalenet.com. Similar to other tools that we have tested so far, they also have the templates and the individual tools available. But for our case, we're going to go to the article copywriting. We're going to go to the blog title creator. And now here, I'm going to paste the word marketing here, and I'm going to click on generate. It has created a few titles for me. I'm going to copy the first one. Now is the time to create introduction. I'm going to paste the title here, and I'm going to click on generate. It has created a result for me. I'm going to copy this and paste it somewhere else. Now I have to create a conclusion here. I'm going to paste the title, and here also again I'm going to paste the title, and I'm going to click on generate, see what happens. It has created a couple of options for me. I'm going to copy the first one. Last but not the least, Writesonic.com. Similar to all the tools that we have tested so far, Writesonic is also not going to leave you behind. They also have the templates and the tools available in order to move with your journey. In the case of Writesonic, I'm using their blog post template. I'm going to paste the title marketing here, and let's see what it creates for me. It has produced three results. I'm going to copy the first one. Now it is the time to create an intro. I'm going to click on generate. It has created a few options for me. I'm going to copy the first one. I don't see the conclusion here, so I'm going to go to the get an outline. It has produced few results for me. I'm going to copy the first one, or I'm going to use the first one. And now I'm going to click on generate to create the conclusion for me. It is taking time because it is creating a whole article, not a conclusion, not a paragraph, not an intro part, not a title. It is creating the whole article based on the outline that they have created for me. Wow, with the image, amazing. To be fair, I'm only going to copy the conclusion part from here. Do you know what's the additional thing that's going to help me in picking a winner? I'm going to ask AI who is issue sync. If the AI would know who is issue sync, I'm going to pick the best winner. No, I'm joking, but still I'm going to ask AI. Meanwhile, I'm asking AI about myself. Like this video and subscribe to this channel. We don't have to ask all the AI. Let's ask Copy.ai and let's see what they know about me. Issue sync is a model and actor? Come on, New Delhi? Oh no. Issue sync is a writer and a founder? Yeah, I'm a founder. Canadian journalist? Wow. I liked it. Copy.ai is my favorite writer. Before we move forward with the speed, quality, and the writing difficulty, why don't we first test the grammar mistakes? This is a Google Word document where I've pasted all the results from Copy.ai, Jasper, Ryter, ScaleNet, and Writesonic. For checking the grammar, I'm using Grammarly Chrome extension. I'm scrolling down in order to find out where is the grammar problem. Okay, here's one from ScaleNet. Here are 3 more grammar problems and it is in Writesonic. For checking the quality of the titles, I'm using free headline analyzer tool in order to find out like SEO related problems and overall quality basically. First, I'm going to use Copy.ai title. I'm going to paste it here in the analyzer tool and I'm going to analyze to see SEO score is 66 and readability is 58, sentiment is 80, so SEO is pass. Now I'm going to test the title of Jasper and put it in free analyzer tool. Let's see what happens. Here I go, I pasted the Jasper title here and I'm going to click on analyze, see what happens. So basically it's a fail. Now I'm going to copy the title from Ryter. I'm going to paste it in the free headline analyzer tool and I'm going to click on analyze. So SEO fail, readability is 66. Basically SEO is fail, so you can consider it as a fail below 50 overall. Now let's test the title of ScaleNet.com. I'm pasting the title here. I'm going to click on analyze, see what happens. So sentiment 80, so 48, kind of a pass, about 54. Again, last but not the least, I'm going to copy the title from Writesonic and I'm going to paste it here and I'm going to click on analyze one more time. So again, green everywhere, so it is a pass. SEO 62 and overall 66. Now it is the time to test the originality. First, I'm going to test the plagiarism of Copy.ai. I'm going to copy this text. I'm going to put it in a plagiarism checker and look what happens after that. Here's the result. Overall 10% plagiarism. If I'm going to click here, so it is telling me only this line has been 61% copied from somewhere else, from this source. Now it is the time to check Jasper.ai. I'm going to copy this text. I'm going to paste it here and check plagiarism. So here is the result, no plagiarism found for Jasper.ai. Amazing. Let's now check the result of Ryter. Now we have the result. Overall 11%, I'm going to click here, see 65% of this line has been taken from this source. Let's now test the result from ScaleNet.com. Paste it here, check plagiarism. Now we have the result. Overall plagiarism is 27%. I'm going to click here, 62% taken from here, 60% from here, 68 here, 100% from here, 68 here. That's it. Overall 27%. Now I'm going to test Writesonic. Paste it here, click here, check plagiarism. Now we have the final result. No plagiarism found in Writesonic. Writing difficulty is the last thing pending. Let's test it now. For checking the writing difficulty, I'm using the Hemingway editor. First, I'm going to test the result from Copy.ai. I'm going to copy this, I'm going to paste it here, and I'm going to check it. So grade 7 is the result. Now it is time to test Jasper.ai. I'm going to paste it here. Grade 4, amazing. Now it is the time to test Ryter.me results. Go here, paste. Grade 8, not bad. Fourth one is ScaleNet.com. Paste here, see what happens. Grade 8, not bad. Last but not the least, Writesonic. Come here, paste that. Grade 12, very high difficulty level. Basically a fail, sorry. If you're with me up to this time, I know you have liked this video, but how I'm gonna know until and unless you press the thumbs up button so that YouTube algorithm can spread this video to other people as well so that they can get benefit as well. Like this video, subscribe to the channel. See you next time.